Hey guys, this is Vadim with Crack Attack Auto Glass. Finally got my Vanish from GT Tools, so haven't opened anything, so we're gonna unbox it and kind of take you through the kit and show you everything that comes with it. Excited. Let's do this. So first, one of the things it comes with, it does come with a mat. So just a neoprene mat, has GT Tools logos on it. Does not have magnets, but it does have a neoprene sleek type coating on the back, so it should stick to the metal. Still, yeah, nice little mat. That's the first thing. All right, here it is. All right, so let's go over this. So I assume a warranty card and probably looks like manual and training, so pretty much tell you to go on the web for the videos. What's this? It looks like a glass decal. It says Vanish on it for the van. Cool. All right. So I guess let's start with the bridge itself. So here it is. It does have something in the back, so pull the sticker off. And the sticker also says 3-year warranty on the bridge assembly. So very nicely constructed. It does have a very good weight to it, like it doesn't feel cheap or plasticky. The suction cups are easily unscrewed, so if you never need to replace it, pretty easy to do. Charging port, just a standard USB-C, has a button and an LED light. I guess that's the indicator for curing. So, ooh, yeah, nice and bright. And GT claims it's a 50-second cure time, so we're gonna put that to the test. Once I get a little bit more familiar with it, then we'll do a couple of repairs. So that's the bridge. Next we have the injector body. This thing is solid. That is has a very nice feel to it, very nice weight. Does have a one seal right here, and I guess the O-ring goes on the bottom of the injector cap. And just kind of drop it in there, and I assume you would just, oh, there you go. It just folds in, and then you can give it a turn, and that's what's going to seat it against the glass. So just a first impression, everything feels very solid. This turning is nice and tight. It feels like it's, you know, it's not loose. It's not, I mean, with the injector in it, it doesn't rattle. You know, it's nice and solid feel to it. So let me take that out. All right, so here's the injector body. And like I say, it does have a little latch lock right here. And you have your plunger. It does have a pressure release valve. It's a nice little button right here. We'll try to put it in there. All right, and it slides in. And then you have, like I said, a couple of positions for locking it in a pressure cycle. I wanted to see, I'm going to close the opening here and try to put some pressure on it. Oh yeah, you can feel it. So now it's pressurized. It's on the first setting, and I'm going to try to release the air. Oh, you can hear the air escaping. That's kind of cool. Then you open it up, and I'm gonna close it a little bit and test it for suction. Oh yeah, I can feel it sucking on my thumb. And I guess that will be more of a, test when we're gonna try to do a repair with it. Let me put that back in there. All right, next thing in the box, have a charger, just a USB-C cord with a plug. Kind of sits right here. All right, oh, okay, so there you go. That's the one that everybody was asking about, the edge adapter. So let me take a look here. So here's a bridge, and I assume it just kind of slides over this. Oh, so one of the legs has a little groove in here, and I assume that's where this will slide onto. There you go. So it's on. And you have additional suction cups here, and you have a couple of thumb screws with rubber on the bottom that will, will push it more against the edge of the glass. And I guess if there's let's say an edge of the car, this is removable, so you can always unscrew the suction cups. And I would assume this is the little rubbery kind of stops. I guess it'll just go over it so you don't scratch it or anything. And that's going to give you enough clearance to put it, over the edge of the car over the edge of the A-pillar if you have to. So once again, this is something that we will have to do once I'm doing a repair, and just try to put it on the edge. But makes sense to me. You have 3 suction cups that will hold it now, and then you have those 2 stops that will kind of put it on the edge of the A-pillar, and then you can also adjust it and make it, push it a little bit more forward. So all right, pull everything back in there. All right, so that's the edge adapter. Let's see, moving on. It's a nice little box. Has some seals for the plunger, the end seals, the big seal that goes on the injector right here. The needle cap, is for the crack repair to dispense resin. So it's kind of neat, you have a little box, all your seals are organized. All right, let's move on. What's this? So suction cup lubricant. That's kind of cool. Never had one of those. So, and a big bottle of pit gloss polish. Go in there too.
Some resin, so we have diamond clear pit filler. Have some CR resin, so crack repair resin. High viscosity. Okay, so have all the type of resins that come with. Have medium, which is my favorite one, that's the one I use most. And you have your low visc for.
All right, moving on to this side. Have a mirror, a suction cup. Next thing we have is, all right, just a few razor blades. So a small box of razor blades. This is curing tabs. Just your basic plastic square cure tabs. Okay. What's this? All right, so another tool to a little slide hammer to make bullseyes. I never used one of those, so I'll have to look up an instructions on it. The one I have right now, it's a spring-loaded one with a button from Delta. So, but hey, more tools. Next thing is a little probe. It looks like it has a sharp end and a dull end. Nothing special, just, you know, just a basic probe, scribe, whatever. Put that back in. So also the kit does come with a Dremel. It has a nice little place for it right here. And then going in the back end here, have a charger for the Dremel. Oh nice, it comes with a crack expander, so it's kind of cool. You don't have to buy them separately, so you're gonna have, you know, something that you can use for the long crack repairs. What else is here? We have a some curing tape and 2 packs of Durabits. So yeah, I mean, this is it. I'm excited. I'm gonna try to do a repair or two and record it, and I'm gonna try to test the 15-second curing. It's interesting, but yeah, like I said, very nicely built. All right, so yeah, I will post a video once I'll get a chance to do a repair with this and let you guys know what I think. So far, just the first impression, kind of what I expected. A very nicely built kit. I like the case too. This is nice. So thank you for watching, guys. There it is.